In the club on a late night, feeling right, looking, trying to spot something real nice. Looking for a little shorty, I know this so that I can take home. I can take home, she could be 18. 18 with an attitude of 19, kinda snotty, acting real rude. But as long as you a diggy, diggy, thick girl, you know that it's on. You know that it's on. I peep something coming towards me up the dance floor. Sexy and real, hey, saying she been peeping and I dig the last video. Someone that we could go. How could I tell her no? Measurements was 36, 25, 34. Yelling, I like the way you brush your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. I like the way the light hit the ice and glare, and I can see you moving way over there. If you wanna go and take a ride,